Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add a web page icon shortcut to your home screen on ZTE Blade A53 Pro. To do this, we'll need to open our Chrome browser. Right here, find the web page that you want to add as a shortcut, and then click on these three dots in the top right corner of the screen and select Add to Home Screen. Now you'll be able to name this icon, and when it's ready, click on Add to Home Screen. Now we can see it somewhere here. It should be added as the first free space available for your home screen. If you click on it, you'll be able to open a website instantly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.